Volvo D13s have a history of injector cup failure, leading to diesel fuel in your oil, or worse, damaging your camshaft and rockers. Avoid costly repairs and extended downtime. Get a quality fuel injector and support from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this Volvo D13 fuel injector. Each injector is fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and all critical components are replaced to match or exceed OE specifications, giving you optimal performance, including improved fuel economy, higher torque, and lower emissions. All our injectors are produced and tested on industry-leading OEM technology and tested for fuel delivery, injection pressure, and timing. Quality, increased efficiency, and power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and expert advice from our ASE-certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.